Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Yo, if y'all enjoy the Mxbike videos, make sure y'all subscribe to my gaming channel, Oneway Stephan Games. Y'all will see more there, and y'all could also tune in to my Twitch live, Oneway Stephan. I be alive every weekday, usually earlier in the morning, and I play for a little bit until I get bored type shit. But yeah, I be having my fun on Mxbikes. Y'all can join the server and play with me. Make sure y'all stay active. We in the chat too. Like I said, I'm active on the Twitch live, so if y'all have any questions or anything, just ask in the chat. I'm gonna be answering everything, and you know, I'd like to chat with my viewers on it, so tune in, man. Yes, sir. That's a full loop right there. Yes, sir, bro. Finally did that shit. I'm hype as shit, bro. Holy shit. Bro, that shit took way too long. I finally did that shit. What? Oh my god. Damn. Oh. Oh shit, I forgot about the ride out. Not telling anybody. Oh. Dang. Damn. Cuz cooked me. Damn. Hey man, make sure y'all subscribe to my Twitch. You can see I'm on this joint active. I've been on for 16 hours, 45 minutes. I'ma always answer back in the chat when I'm live. I'm gonna be live a lot more often because, you know, I got my baby coming, so gotta make sure she's safe right next to me, and I'll be on the game as well. So be looking after her while I'm on the game. But yeah, I'm gonna be in the chat often, so y'all could message me with any questions, anything like that. Y'all just message me. Y'all could subscribe to my Twitch too, and y'all won't get the ads on Twitch, stuff like that. And then you see, I just got my clips and stuff, little sneak peeks. See, this the Twitch right here, One Way Stephan. Y'all subscribe. Y'all can see my recent broadcasts, everything like that. It's all Mxbikes recently. You know, I be on the 5M though, so you know, stay tuned. I'm gonna be on that more often.
Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the rent list. Soon as that work come in the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
I'm gonna post a lot of VODs and stuff on this joint, so make sure y'all tune in on this. You can see my old MX bike footage, stuff like that. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all subscribe to the gaming channel, and make sure y'all subscribe to the Twitch channel. And stay tuned, man. More riding videos, everything like that coming soon. You know, the end of January is now, so as soon as January's over, that's when I'm really start pushing out these Bikelife videos and stuff. But yeah, appreciate y'all support, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.